and right now I'm showing you a client of mine and the leads that I produce for his business by using the Google Maps listings in Google Maps and Google Search. So a total of 1,500 searches. Here's the queries that his listings being triggered for. Used car dealer, so definitely the queries that he's wanting. And these are per month, by the way, so this is every month. Okay, so he's got a total listings, well, total views of 1.2 thousand and listing on maps 500, and then total of 240 actions, including 222 to his website, 13 directions request, 5 calls, and this is all in 1 month again. Let me remind you. Okay, so here this will tell you where he is getting directions requests from. So if you zoom in and zoom out, it will go to different areas. For example, so he's getting a lot of direction requests from this area right here, a whole different zip code. Alright, so here's the phone calls, day of the week, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and we can even see the time of day. So 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Alright, and here is photo views. So this shows the comparison of his photos versus other businesses, businesses like you. You can see he's steadily ahead of the competition. And then photo quality, so customer photos, owner photos. So I just wanted to show you guys the power of lead generation, that you could basically walk down through your downtown and get clients for very easy. If you are sending them hot leads that are going to convert, especially locally, and they have a continuity program or a way to keep those customers coming in more than once, they're going to want to keep your leads coming. So this is very valuable to businesses. Make sure you like and subscribe if this is kind of clicking for you and you can see how this could become a business, or at the very least become a side hustle for you to earn some extra money every month. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and until next time, have a nice holiday and be careful, be safe, guys.